Morning, everybody. I don't know what I want to do today. It's a Friday. Is it a very Friday? It's just a Friday. Let's just do a little one. I'm feeling little again today. I don't know why. Let's do on a green small square. And we're just going to start making some lines and doing I don't know what. I need a small pen. Where's my small? There's a 5, there's a 1. Let's see if this is drawing anything. That feels fat. I don't know why that one felt fat. That one is not writing. I guess. Try this one. Okay, that one's writing. Okay, we're using a tiny liner at 0.05. And I'm going to start here in the middle. And I'm just going to make myself like a mandala with no rhyme or reason or plan. Just whatever feels right today. Is it centered on the page? No, it doesn't seem to be. I am sitting in a spot where my elbow keeps bumping into the... I have to move. Let me move over just a little bit. We're going to draw this way. Okay, that's better. Literally have absolutely no plan. But I like the way that looks. Okay, so now are we going to color? We're going to leave it. Am I going to... sign it and... to add some gel pen highlights, I think. Need to go the other way so I don't smudge. Don't go that way, Dawn. Go the other way. I think I'm going to color that in. Okay. And I think I'm going to color in here, but I want... Okay. And a pink. It's a different color. Yeah, that's a different color of pink. We'll do that here. Almost looks like brown on the green paper. That's okay. That and we want shadow. Like that. think like that. Looks pretty. Does it have a name? No, it doesn't. It's going to be called Freeform Mandala. That's what it's going to be called on the 23rd of January. It's pretty. Just a little something. Another 10-minute video. Good gracious, what's gone on with this week? I've got a bunch of short videos. What the heck? That's okay. I am feeling really good, really happy about what I got accomplished today. I will see you guys on the next video next week, where we will be hurtling through the end of January, heading into February. Let's do it. Let's do it. We're on a roll. I'll see you guys later. Go out and do something nice for someone today. Make the world a better place, one person at a time. And I'll see you later. Bye-bye.